what happens is that just spare a thought for the people. People here, people who watch parliament proceedings, so much of time and money is wasted.
Well, that's entertainment. I don't think it's... I think sooner or later time will come when it will be on OTT. People will be paying for Lok Sabha subscription. No, but I think people have gone tangential to what the debate was. And the debate, the topic was, why is this ruckus being created in Parliament? You have to go beyond the obvious, Pranesh. And beyond the obvious, the truth that is staring at all of us, 1 billion odd people, is that there is no opposition party and there is no ruling party. It is all one incestuous club. It's like you go to a club, like, Gaurav ji would go to Gymkhana, would IIC, all these are club members. वहाँ पे कोई differentiation होता है, आप कहाँ से? आज आप बीजेपी में हैं, कल को आप समाजवादी पार्टी, यहाँ तो नेता बैठे हुए, कल को पता नहीं कहाँ ज्वाइन कर लें. My good friend Salem might be in BJP. You have the tallest BJP leaders like Manishankar Iyer, Rahul Gandhi, tallest campaigners of BJP in the Congress. So there is no differentiation. The reason the ruckus is there is actually, there is a psychiatric term for it also. It is to hide your own guilt. It is guilt complex. Because who is more hypocritical than the other? That is all that is being debated. You want me to give you a couple of proofs?
Sure.
The biggest proof that hangs out is where the ruling party could have been hung out to dry was on anonymous electoral bonds. There was huge ruckus. There was disruption for a week. And who was disrupting? Samajwadi Party, DMK, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress. They were saying it is the biggest scam in independent India. The obvious question that we should have asked is, why are you disrupting when you took thousands of crores through the same scam?
And no one was willing to return it, even till this minute.
Now, why on earth are they disrupting something that they are taking part in? You have DMK. Now, I don't want to ask because he's a very good friend. They took money through anonymous electoral bonds.
No, you're saying
and in the parliament, they were saying, how dare BJP take...
Are you part of the club?
So they are all part of the club. Congress took 1,600 crores through the same anonymous electoral bonds that they disrupted the parliament for a week,
right,
saying it's the biggest scam. That's just one proof. Very quickly, let me give you a couple of other proofs. Adani. Nobody has disrupted the parliament more than Adani. I mean, not physically, but that issue. Now, the obvious question, yes, the government needs to answer. Of course it does. But who is asking? The Congress is saying Adani is corrupt. Why have you invested in him? When the same Congress and its Congress states have invested more than 90,000 crores in Adani Industries.
That's right.
On what face are they disrupting the parliament? When their allies, DMK, TMC, Pinarayi Vijayan, communists, have given 15,000 crores to Adani to make ports. And you are saying Adani is corrupt? And it's like, am I saying that, look, Gaurav Bhatia, I'm not going to hire Gaurav Bhatia because he's a corrupt lawyer, and I hire him. No, I mean, he's an absolute, and if there is a contempt of court on me, I will only hire Gaurav Bhatia ji. But I'm trying to tell you, that is the problem. No, so it's an incestuous club that is trying to fight with each other. Who is the lesser hypocrite?
Let's get the MP first. Saroji, जो larger point है Dr. Ranganathan का, और वो ये कह रहे हैं और वो लोगों के लिए बोल रहे हैं, सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं, जनरली, कि आप देखिए लेफ्ट के एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, उन्होंने कहा कि राहुल गांधी को और सिंसियर बिहेव करना चाहिए, कल ही बोला उन्होंने. तो ये बहुत आसान है विपक्ष के लिए कहना कि देखिए राहुल गांधी एलओपी हैं, बट आप उनको जितना वो रिस्पेक्ट डिजर्व करते हैं देते नहीं है.
देखिए, जो मेन पॉइंट है यहाँ पे, कोई क्या बोलता है क्या नहीं बोलता है इज नॉट माय व्यू, और मैं उसको डिफेंड या फिर प्रमोट नहीं करूंगा. जैसे हमारे कॉलीग ने अभी बोला, अटेंडेंस की बात की, बिल्कुल सही है, सबकी अटेंडेंस होनी चाहिए, सब मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है वहाँ पे. अगर मैं बात करूं तो मुझे लगता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर और होम मिनिस्टर से कम अटेंडेंस किसी की नहीं होगी पार्लियामेंट में आज के डेट पे. सेकेंडली, अगर बात करें कि कोई डिस्कशन जो फ्रूटफुल, महाकुंभ की बहुत बात हुई कि महाकुंभ को प्रमोट करना भी चाहिए, और बहुत से श्रद्धालु आए, और सरकार की ये नीति रही है, हमने देखा है कि एक इवेंट को प्रमोट और मार्केट ज्यादा करना, सड़क पे काम, जो निजी मुद्दे हैं उनमें काम करना से ज्यादा. सो व्हेन the government takes all the credit for marketing and a religious event. When such mishaps happen, then why can't they take the responsibility?
No, absolutely. You must demand accountability, and the government of the day will have to answer those questions. But answer this direct question. जब आप कह रहे हैं कि कुंभ की मार्केटिंग छोड़ दीजिए, वो एक गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव था, उससे बिजनेस जनरेट हुआ. मैं पूछ रहा हूं, अखिलेश यादव सीनियर लीडर हैं, आपके बड़े नेता, उन्होंने क्या कहा योगी आदित्यनाथ के बारे में? इज दैट द काइंड ऑफ लैंग्वेज, सर, दैट पीपल शुड बी यूजिंग अगेंस्ट वन अनदर? देन यू हैव डीएमके लीडर्स, उन्होंने सनातन के बारे में क्या कहा? कोई ऐसी बीमारी नहीं छोड़ी उन्होंने, जो उनको पता था सब बोल दिया, एड्स, लेप्रेसी, कैंसर, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. कोई अपॉलॉजी और आउटरीच नहीं हुआ. तो ये सेलेक्टिव जो अप्रोच है, क्या इसके वजह से भी संसद डिसरप्ट होती है?
देखिए, ये सेलेक्टिव अप्रोच नहीं. ऑब्वियसली बीइंग अ यंग मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन एज वेल, वी सीन द क्वालिटी ऑफ लैंग्वेज आल्सो डिटीरियरेट फ्रॉम सीनियर लीडर्स एज वेल एंड ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स. But when we are talking about disruptions only, we spoke about the Mahakumbh. The Prime Minister came and spoke about the Mahakumbh. And it is a fact, I was there, the leader of opposition got up to speak. And I think so, we were talking about sanctity and how the parliament should function. The Prime Minister got up and left on his face. And that was what happened. So I don't think so, it's a very big cry. It is a fact that he left. So if you ask me, disruptions क्यों हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद अगर the leader of opposition is getting up to speak on a topic that the prime minister just spoke on, और he just spoke,
डिसरप्शन से मेरा लार्जर सवाल यह है कि आप कह रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री राहुल गांधी जैसे बोलने के लिए उठे, प्रधानमंत्री चले गए. मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं कि पार्लियामेंट में तो जो ज्वाइंट सेशन होता है प्रेसिडेंट का, उस एड्रेस में ऑपोजिशन ने वॉकआउट कर दिया. आप तो जय संविधान जो लोग करते हैं उनको तो नहीं करना चाहिए. प्रेसिडेंट तो किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की नहीं है.
प्रणेश, मैं एक सोल्यूशन देना चाहता हूं.
देखिए, ये सही बात है, और लेकिन अगर हम सिर्फ सरकार की वाहवाही के लिए वहां पे बैठे हैं, लेकिन जब हम सदन से सड़क में जाते हैं, लोगों के बीच जाते हैं, तो हमको भी प्रॉब्लम्स दिखती हैं. वी ऑल फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, आर पीपल हु वोटेड फॉर अस फेस प्रॉब्लम्स.
Okay.
तो अगर वहां पे सिर्फ यही दिखाया जा रहा है कि इंडिया को ग्लोरीफाई करके और कि कोई मुद्दा बचा ही नहीं है,
इंडिया
कोई
को ग्लोरीफाइड करने में कौन सी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को दिक्कत होनी चाहिए? ममता बनर्जी लंदन में थी, वहां पे किसी ने बोला, जो उनसे सवाल पूछ रहे थे,
देखिए,
उन्होंने
हम
बोला.
फैक्ट से भाग नहीं सकते. लेकिन अभी हमारे, अगर आप बात करें, बहुत, मैं एक बेसिक बात करता हूं. आई स्पोक ऑन जल जीवन मिशन. जल जीवन मिशन को किस तरीके से प्रमोट किया गया, क्या अगर आप मेरे साथ खुद मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी चलेंगे या फिर उत्तर प्रदेश के किसी जिले में जाएंगे, क्या उसका इंप्लीमेंटेशन है, इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग यू डायरेक्टली. So when we are there, we are obviously there to question.
Okay, Selam, you add your question, then Mr. Bhatia will answer that.
So I would like to add on to what Anand said. He said if there was only, he says if Gaurav was a corrupt lawyer and still I appoint him, right? But the point here is there's only one lawyer and he is corrupt, so you're forced to appoint him. That's the problem with Adani. Second point, when electoral bonds, who introduced electoral bonds? The BJP. Right? And then, did we oppose it then? Yes, we did oppose. Did the alliance members oppose? They also opposed. But then you will fight with AK-47 and you can't expect me to fight with sticks.
No, that's
Who
not the
introduced
point.
electoral bonds? No, let me speak.
Selam.
No.
On electoral bonds, see, the opposition can't run away because, you can't say that the money that I have taken from corporates is kosher. But the money that the BJP has got...
I've understood.
It pains me to say this, Salam, that, and
No,
I would
10
never
seconds.
do it,
No,
but
I will explain. 10
Just
seconds. You can answer me after I say what I want to say. See, the problem with electoral bonds is not the idea entirely of electoral bonds. It is funding. But the problem is no one knows who's donating to who except for the ruling party. That is the clause that's wrong. So if someone is donating to us...
You shouldn't have taken money then. If the scheme is problematic,
but BJP
why take money?
No. The problem with electoral bonds is no one knows who's donating to BJP. Right? That is the problem because that's what Supreme Court said. What did Supreme Court say in its verdict?
Transparency?
No. See,
If it is a lack of transparency, then you
See,
should
what
have
did
taken
Supreme
money.
Court say? Supreme Court said there can't be selective transparency.
Okay.
What is selective transparency?
But Mr.
The world
Bhatia,
knows
answer
who's
that
donating to
question.
the DMK.